US President Donald Trump was taken to the hospital Friday with the coronavirus. Several people close to the president have also gotten the virus. The news coming less than a month before the US election for president has caused great uncertainty and worry. Very early Friday morning, the president and his wife were reported to have the coronavirus. Some reports have suggested that Mr. Trump has had the virus before. On Friday, after Mr. Trump had a high fever and low levels of oxygen in his blood, he was taken to the hospital. Mr. Trump is reported to be doing very really well. His doctor says he could be released from the hospital on Monday, but it usually takes 7 to 10 days to know whether someone is going to have a strong reaction to the virus. Some reports suggest that Mr. Trump's situation is more serious. Many health experts point out that the medicines and treatments Mr. Trump is getting are usually only given to patients with more serious signs of illness. It's not clear how Mr. Trump got the coronavirus, but it could have happened on September 26 when Mr. Trump announced he was nominating Amy Coney Barrett for the Supreme Court. Few people wore masks at the event, even though Washington DC requires masks when people are outside. Since then, many US landowners and members of Mr. Trump's team and family have gotten the coronavirus. For many people, it's not surprising that Mr. Trump and those around him have gotten the virus. Mr. Trump has long acted like the coronavirus isn't a serious concern. Mr. Trump has avoided wearing masks and made fun of people who wear them. During the debate last Tuesday, members of Trump family didn't wear masks, even though the rules required masks for everyone who wasn't taking part in the debate. There were concerns that the virus could have been spread to ex-Vice President Biden or others at the event. Like many other leaders from around the world, Mr. Biden wished Mr. Trump and his wife a speedy recovery.